Hiya,
Hey guys! Hello. Good morning.
How the heck are you?
So today we are doing a lazy day.
Lazy day.
It's more of a Junior's side job, treasure hunting type of stuff.
Today we treasure hunting.
So we're going to go into some of the thrift stores. We're going to check out some different ones that we haven't looked at yet. And then after that, we're going to take the little troop-toops to the park for a little fun walk around, run around.
Burn out some energy.
Have a good doggy day.
Chase chipmunks and pups.
So it's a pretty chill day.
Yeah.
And we're going to bring you guys with us.
Always bringing you along for the adventure. We have so much fun, and it's more fun with them.
Yeah.
So.
All right.
Yeah. Let's see what we find. Take a guess at what this is. This is a little ridiculous.
Junior is going to go to his very first trip to Aldi.
Baby's first Aldi's.
Aldi. Say what? We got all these things. So we got some ping pongs, but we're not going to use this for the thrift store. We're going to have a special surprise for you guys with that.
You guys are going to like that.
We got this super cute Christmas Mickey, and he stands. He was standing. He just doesn't want to stand in the car. But he's super cute.
Tons of these. So these things sell for about $7 or $8 each. Got them for $1 each. So we'll be able to list them. Got about 11 of them. A Japanese hole punch. Very fancy. $33. Got it for $3 or $3.50 because it was half off.
Nice.
And Rainbird for all these people that like to do sprinkler system stuff. And then I'm not going to take it out of the bag, but it's 2 little mini kids pools. For $4 each, and they sell for about,
so you can kind of see them right there. They're
30
super
to
cute.
45.
Little kids, animated animals. You learn the animals and you learn the alphabet and stuff with it. It's a learn and play at the same time.
Look at this. B is for frog.
No, they're not supposed to go with it. So basically what that is, it's a huge swimming pool for kids. Not huge, but kid size. So they play in it, and you can see how large they are on there. So the parent can say, go stand on T, and you're teaching your kids to stand on T, or go stand on the tiger.
Oh.
You get it now? He didn't know what it was. I was like, this is so smart.
I'm going to be a great dad.
He will be.
Great papa.
Good finds.
Gotta cover our good.
Alright, you guys, if any of you remember, I did a whole bunch of stuff working with Aldi. If you guys have been around that long. But I love Aldi. They're epic. They have some awesome stuff. He's gonna go in for his very first time. He's already yawning. Knock that stuff up. You're supposed to be like dramatic.
Kung Fu.
Alright, let's go to Aldi.
We're going to Aldi's.
Hiya! We going in.
Are we going to need a cart?
No. Hi, Chewie. I have a special surprise for you. What is the surprise? Do you want to know what it is? What is it? Can you sit? No, sit down. Sit. Do you want to go to the park?
You want to go to the park?
Yeah.
The park? The park!
Oh my gosh!
Let's go to the park!
Oh my gosh! Let's go! Come on! Welcome to your first trip to Mile Square.
It looks awesome. It is great. That could be me.
That could be you.
That could
You can
be
do
me.
that. You can run. Shake your
Yeah.
tail. So we did our thrifting earlier, and now we are at the park.
Mile Square. Daddy's first Mile Square ride.
Fun stuff. She's
Yeah.
having a good time. She's so excited.
Chewie is making this park her own. She's making her mark.
Are you so happy? Little tiny pup. Little tiny pup. Are you barking at the thing? You barking at the statue?
Get it. Get it. Get the statue.
What's going on down there?
Put that statue there.
Why are you so scared of the statue, man?
Get it, Chewie.
Not me! Don't get me! Hi! 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 Hello! Come on! Come on!
You. Ooh, what are we doing?
Welcome to Pixie Parlor.
Ooh.
You're here to chop your hair.
We're gonna get a pixie cut?
Maybe.
Ooh, look at that. Look at those wings.
Every haircut's magical.
Wow, tell me more. I'm sold. The deeper the more hair that gets cut, what happens?
That's what happens.
The more hair you cut, the more pixie dust falls. I don't know. You look cool in this video though. I'm glad we got you those wings.
Me too. I love them.
Okay, here we go.
There he is. He's all done.
Yeah. Love it.
Can you do a little turny? Yay.
Came out looking way better than how it started.
He's got his anime hair going on. Look at this. Over here. Over here. Anime hair. Sorry, it's so zoomed in, you guys.
Yeah.
He just got out of the shower.
You know what's cool? I can always like do like one color now. Like if I wanted to do like one random color.
Oh, here we go.
I could just do that. I could do the silver that I want
Yes.
or whatever, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great job, babe.
Possibilities are endless.
You did good.
You're cute. We are back. We are doing more thrifting. And look what we found.
We found this is a Snoopy. The thing that you literally just picked up is the first thing that showed up.
Oh.
And it sells for $15.
Nice. And show everybody what it is.
Joe Cool Itty Bitty. And we learned recently that Itty Bitty is the baby version of stuff.
So itty bitty.
Itty bitty. And here it is for sale for unknown price. Cannot imagine more than $1.
He's so cute.
So good stuff.
This is what we found. A whole lot of Snoopies.
Snoopy lot.
There are some Christmas Snoopies. There are some kiss me Snoopies. As he said, the little itty bitties. We've got some cute little ones with little fairy wings. We've got this tropical one. And there's a bunch of them.
Oh,
And then also this guy. This one is so cute. I like how fluffy he is. Oh, cute.
$7 for that
There
bad
he
boy.
is.
There's that.
All right, so I wanted to come over here and show you guys this. I thought it looked cool, and I said, I think it's an anime. And Junior said, oh yeah, that's from Fate. So they have some cosplay stuff here too. And I just want to show you guys a quick little run through of some of their cosplay stuff that they have. I got some My Hero stuff here. They have some Fallout Pip-Boy, some Gwenpool, a bunch more stuff over this way. They have some Dragon Ball. They have little Miss Bo Peep, which is super cute. Let's see, what else can we find? There is some Breath of the Wild Zelda. I think that's an anime. You got some Android 18. Officer Jenny. This is super cute. Daisy. There is a Princess Peach. Some League of Legends. Literally a whole row of cosplay. And he's still over here checking out all the Snoopies.
Some of these are money Snoopies. Like the lights one, they're $20 new.
Wow.
Not bad.
Come here. Oh God. Okay. Alright guys, that is it for today. Junior is in the shower getting all clean after his haircut. But we all had lots of fun. We found some good stuff at the thrift store, as well as Chewie had a great time at the park. She's exhausted. She kind of struggled to jump in the car and climb up the stairs, so she's definitely tired. So she had a good day. He loves his haircut. Yay. Little Evie is having a moment right now. She won't stop meowing. But it was a good day, and we are so happy that you guys were able to join us. I'm going to go work out and get dinner started now. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.